The lure of the market. In the bustling world of trading, the markets were alive with activity. Charts flickered on screens, each candlestick telling a story of potential gains and losses. Among the sea of traders, Jake sat at his desk, eyes glued to the flashing numbers. He had been at it for hours, his mind racing with thoughts of missed opportunities. The thrill of the chase tugged at him, the fear of missing out, FOMO, whispered in his ear, urging him to act. The temptation to act. As the minutes turned into hours, Jake felt the familiar unease creep in. His heart raced as he watched prices fluctuate, his impulse to jump into a trade growing stronger. The stories of quick profits shared in chat rooms echoed in his mind, fueling his impatience. What if I miss the next big move, he thought, fighting against the tide of restlessness that threatened to pull him in. The price of impatience. In that moment of temptation, Jake recalled his mentor's advice: patience pays in trading. He remembered the times he had rushed into trades, only to watch his investments dwindle. Each impulsive decision was a lesson learned, yet the allure of quick riches was intoxicating. He closed his eyes, taking a deep breath, and focused on his trading plan, a carefully crafted strategy built on research and discipline. Finding clarity in stillness. With a renewed sense of purpose, Jake shifted his gaze from the chaotic screens to the notes pinned above his desk. He saw the setups he had meticulously outlined, each aligned with his goals. The charts revealed themselves in a different light. They were not merely numbers, but opportunities waiting for the right moment. He realized that true success lay not in chasing the market, but in waiting for the perfect setup that resonated with his plan. The reward of waiting. As the day progressed, Jake resisted the urge to act on impulse. Instead, he practiced patience, observing the market's rhythm. He took the time to analyze trends, waiting for the right signals to emerge. The anxiety that had once gripped him began to fade, replaced by a calm confidence. And when the ideal opportunity finally presented itself, a clear breakout aligned with his analysis, Jake was ready. He entered the trade with a steady hand, knowing that his patience had led him to this moment. The lesson learned. Weeks later, as he reviewed his trades, Jake smiled at the growth he had achieved. The journey had taught him that trading was not just about immediate gratification, it was a test of discipline and endurance. He had learned to embrace patience, understanding that waiting for setups aligned with his plan was not a sign of weakness, but a mark of a seasoned trader. The thrill of the market would always be there, but now, Jake knew the true power of patience, and how it pays off in the long run dealing with impatience. Hey, if this story inspired you or taught you something cool, hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing content, and drop a genuine comment. We love hearing from you.